friend. You said you were looking for a bag? Sis, I got you. Hold on. Let me show you. Wagwan. Big up yourself, my dad. I don't know it's a girl Rosh Wavy. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi amor. You see what I say? Mi amor. Mi amor. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Rochelle. Yo estoy tratando en español. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I try to speak in Spanish. It does not work out. If any one of you guys speak Spanish, please reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram is gonna be down here. I really need help. I'm trying. Adios.
Let the games begin.
I just had to break the damn thing. No. Oh, I can't go back in. I'm getting sick and tired of your broken promises. Do I look a bit dark? Do I or do I not? I'm not sure. Hi beautiful people, you don't know it's a girl Rosh Wavy, and today the girl is gonna be doing something a little bit different, right? I have a little bags.
Shut up!
Let me hear that. Anyways, so I do think, like I'm confirming right now that I have an obsession with bags. Genuinely, I do love bags, especially the side ones, the little small ones. I love those. I just have a fetish for it, I think, or obsession or addiction or whatever the case might be. I'm just obsessed with them. I think they're really adorable and cute, and so today I'm gonna be showing you guys my little collection of bags. I'm not going to show you guys everything. I'm just going to be showing you guys my favorite ones. I do have a lot, like a lot, but I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite bags. The first bag that I'm going to be showing you guys, my boyfriend got me this bag for, I think, Christmas. So this little bag is probably my almost go-to bag in every case. Like, I literally wear this bag with everything. I really love this bag. I think it's so versatile. Like, you know, you can wear it anyhow you want to wear it. Like, I normally wear it like this because I just think it's cute this way. Please excuse the dogs if you guys are hearing them outside. So let's look inside the bag. I'm a little scared to do that because probably things are in there. As expected, things are in there. But when I have money, rich money. Anyways, so this bag is just basically 2 compartments, and then you have the middle part with the zip. So it's just really simple, but I think it's convenient and just cute. You know, like if you're just grab and go. Oh, this bag, it's actually white, so I'm wondering if you guys are gonna be able to see it. Being that I have white on as well. Let me do this. Only worn this bag once. The reason why I haven't worn it again was because the one time I actually wore this bag because it was white, I had makeup on and I kind of messed it up a little bit. Inside this bag is just really simple. It only has one big compartment. There's like no sections inside, but like it's really cute and fashionable, and I do love the gold chain that goes along with it. I just think it adds something to it, so it's really cute as well. This is that. So this has ultimately become my new favorite bag. I recently got this bag from my sister. Shout out sis. Yeah, so this is a red bag and I just love how it looks. Like it's just happening. She does look good. So with this bag, it has 2 ways in which you can actually hold it. So the first way is gonna be like this. You basically hold it like a regular bag. You can do it like this as well. You know. And well, then the last way you can actually hold it is like this. So let's say, for example, I want to look like a bougie girl, like I don't want any of this. I could actually put this in the bag. So let me go ahead and do so. So yeah, so let's say I don't feel like actually wearing it long way. I can just put the straps inside and I can wear the bag like this. So you know. Okay, so this bag is actually very, very old. Like, I've had this bag for some time now. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a bit dirty. It needs to be cleaned right now, so forgive me guys. But this bag, this was like one of the first bags I bought when I started out like getting into bags. So I bought this bag, I think when I was about 18 or 17, thereabout. I bought this bag. I think it was when I was 18 and now I'm 21. So this bag can also be worn two different ways. So let's say, for example, you want to just do like a handbag like this because it's that big. You can do it like that. It's a very good bag. I do think it's a very good bag. It held up very, very long. It hasn't stripped or anything. The only thing that needs to be done to it, like I've been saying, is just for it to be clean because it's a bit dirty. Y'all seen it now. So it's like peach looking. So like I'm saying, it's a bit dirty. You guys can see that, right? So this is just the bag. On the inside, it has two, what can I say, pins or hooks or whatever. Yeah, like I'm saying, it's dirty. Please don't kill me, guys. On the inside, it has red interior and it's just one big compartment. It does have 3 inside pockets, so one here, and another one here. My boyfriend actually bought me this bag as well. I think he bought me this for a trip that we were gonna go on. This bag is surprisingly good. I'm really, really surprised with this bag because I bought this bag at a Chinese store. Well, not me, he bought it. Well, we were both in the store. I saw the bag, I was like, oh my god, I need to have it. He's like, okay, fine, I'll buy it for you. So I bought this bag in a Chinese store in Mandeville, and this bag has literally been like you know, okay, like this bag has been doing its job. Like, it has not stripped, it has not been busted, it's perfectly fine, and it's really thick. It's still keeping its color and everything. I just love it. This is the next bag. Let me show you. So I really do love this bag. I think it's very unique. You are able to actually draw the, like, close the bag because it's actually open on the inside. I do have a lot of things inside again, I'm so sorry, but you are actually able to close it like this, but I can't do it because if I let go, I'm gonna have to pull the side. So the side has these knots. You'd have to pull the side and then pull it together and then it would close. But actually, this bag actually has 2 different straps. So I'm gonna show you guys the different ways that you can actually wear this bag. So I'm going to be showing you guys the first way in which you can actually wear this bag. So the next one is this one. This is really simple. It has thick straps.
The night is on an island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If heaven is based on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If heaven is based on earth.
We're going on to a next bag. This bag, I've never worn this bag before, but I definitely love it, and I'm just anticipating to wear this bag.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but
This is basically the last and final bag. So this bag I got this bag for my birthday from my boyfriend as well. Love this bag. I just feel like it's my go-to bag, like my everyday bag. It's a fun bag. It basically goes with almost every outfit. This little pocket as well, so you can wear it outside or you can wear it on the inside if you'd like.
something for what it's worth. If heaven is based on earth.
Okay guys, so that's basically it for all my bags, or well, my favorite bags. I do hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe as well. It means so much to me. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the people who have actually been here with me throughout my inconsistency and consistency at times. I'm just so grateful for every one of you guys. Just continue watching, and I do hope you enjoy these content. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Every day and every night, every night.